Today we have a 2014 Ford F-150, 46,000 miles. Comes with a 30-day dealer warranty. Give you a look. So it does have a nice chrome-plated grille, along with the chrome-backed headlights, chrome step bumper, and also has a nice chrome tow hooks, and you got your fog lights. It does have a Ford bug shield. Bring around and show you the tires and wheels. They are an 18-inch chrome wheel with Goodyear rubber. Have around half tread on the tires. And we'll see the badging, EcoBoost, XLT. You have your integrated signals in your mirrors. It does have the full-length chrome Ford running tubes. AVS vent shades. Has two-tone interior, gray split bucket seats in the front, black carpeting. Does have the big rubber floor mats to protect your carpet from the sand and salt and whatever you might drag inside there. And of course the back, pretty spacious back there. You do have cup holders and a 12-volt power source on the back of your console. And if you need more space, these seats fold right up like that. Pretty simple operation, just pull that lever and put them back down. Also has the big rubber floor mat in the back. And rubber pretty much the same in the back. You'll see for the decal you do get the XTR package. That's what gets you a lot of these chrome accent pieces. Chrome exhaust tip. Does have the chrome rear step bumper with the backup sensors. And if you look under the Ford oval, you will see there's a backup cam on there. Does have the hitch receiver and the plugs underneath the back bumper. And if you peek inside there, you see it does have the plastic drop-in Ford bed liner with the nice tonneau cover. Does have the plastic form-fitted mud flaps. Excuse me. And the seats fold up on this side, just like on the other side. Does have the keyless entry on your driver's door. If you look at the interior, you will notice the power locks, windows, and mirrors on your driver's door. Just inside the door you have your headlight switch, along with your dimmer switch for your interior lighting. Does have power driver seating. Current mileage is 46,613. To the left of your steering wheel, on this dial that sticks out, you have your windshield wipers and headlights. And of course, on the other side, you have your gear shift. Steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings, your heads-up display on your dash for your lighting. On the other side of the steering wheel, you have your voice recognition, your telephone settings, your audio settings. And over here is your four-wheel drive, your two-wheel, four-wheel selector, 2 high, 4 high, or 4 low are your options. You have a brake bias control. And your traction control is right here. And your AM, FM, CD, Sirius satellite radio, heating and air conditioning controls, and underneath here you have a small cubby down there for some space. Do have a 12-volt, a USB, and auxiliary plug there for your devices. You have a couple cup holders and a storage tray here on the middle seat. And then that actually folds away. This tray slides out. You have 2 more cup holders. Then your bottom seat folds up and you have more storage in there. And another 12-volt power source on your dash and a cup holder, or cubby. Might have a hard time fitting a cup in there. And of course your glove box. It's a pretty nice looking truck inside and out. No pet odor, no smoke odor, no rips or tears or anything in the interior. We are going to start the engine up and give you a look at the engine bay. you will notice it's nice and clean under there also. This truck in particular has a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost. People really love this engine. Being a V6, if you've ever driven one, you will see that with the boost on there, you hard pressed to tell that it's not a V8 engine. Of course, you get the benefits of the V6, get a little better fuel mileage, but your horsepower and your torque are very comparable. Last thing I am going to do is walk you around one more time and point out any blemishes or imperfections on this truck. For having a few years on it, it is actually a very clean looking truck. Very minimal damage. Back bumper does have a ding right on the point. And the driver's door has a couple little marble-sized dings right around the door handle. Other than that, it's a pretty sharp looking F-150. If you're interested in coming out and taking a look at it, maybe setting up a test drive, you can give us a call here. Our number is 717-485-4224. Or you can look us up on our website, www.thomasata.com. Thank you.